So the Mahakumbh has come to an end, a festival of faith that spanned 6 weeks with crores of people driven by their Astha touching down in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. This has been a record-breaking Kumbh. How? Well, let's just take a look at the numbers that truly make this a Mahakumbh, a grand Kumbh. Over 66 crore have taken the holy dip, and expect that number to actually go up as people, even with the Kumbh ending, are still headed to Prayagraj. These numbers aren't updated with the last 24 hours, so it's going to go up further. And the Kumbh Melas never attracted so many devotees. We have data to back that too. And you look at this particular Kumbh data that we have. In 1954, the first Kumbh post-independence, 50 lakh people attended. 1965, the number went up to 1 crore. 1977, it was 1.5 crores. 3 crore in 1989. In 2001, steadily went up. 7 crore devotees visited Mahakumbh. In the most recent Kumbh, which was in 2013, that number is 12 crore. From 12 crore, it's shot up to over 65, almost 66 crores this year in this Mahakumbh, which is why we're saying that this is a record-breaking Kumbh. Let's also talk about what it's done for the economy in Prayagraj compared to past Kumbhs. In 2013, the government had spent 1,017 crores. It created 12,000 crores as revenue. So we'll mention the revenue figure also. There you have it. 12,000 crores is revenue. In 2019, the government spent 2,000 crores, so a little more than the last time. But again, the revenue was much more. It was a whopping 1.2 lakh crores. This time, the government spent about 1,017 crores. The projected revenue is a massive 2 lakh crore. So again, this is why they've been saying that the Kumbh creates opportunities. So we'll break that down for you as well. What about jobs? What about employment? About 8 lakh jobs have been generated because of the Kumbh in Prayagraj. We'll break that down for you. In tourism and hospitality in Prayagraj and nearby, 3 lakh jobs were created. Then in transport services alone, rail, bus and private transport, 1.5 lakh jobs were created. Over 2 lakh food vendors got opportunities because of the Kumbh. And then finally in events and logistics management, 1.5 lakh jobs were created. All of this just because of the Kumbh being in Prayagraj. So overall, with that data, about 8 lakh people got employment opportunities. But first, let's tell you about Prime Minister Modi's blog on the Mahakumbh, which was titled as Ekta Ka Mahakumbh, the dawn of a new era. Here are some excerpts of what the Prime Minister's message was in that blog.
During the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, gods and goddesses, saints, women, children, youth, senior citizens, and people from all walks of life come together. We witnessed the awakened consciousness of the nation. This was Ekta Ka Mahakumbh, where the sentiments of 140 crore Indians converged at the same place, at the same time, for this sacred occasion. It was particularly heartening for me to see the overwhelming participation of India's youth. The presence of the younger generation at the Mahakumbh sends a profound message that the youth of India will be the torchbearers of our glorious culture and heritage. They understand their responsibility towards preserving it and are committed to carrying it forward. Nearly twice the population of the United States participated in this Ekta Ka Mahakumbh. If scholars of spirituality analyze the enthusiastic participation of crores of Indians, they will find that India, proud of its heritage, is now surging ahead with a newfound energy. I believe this is the dawn of a new era, which will script the future of a new India. I know that organizing such a massive event was no easy task. I pray to Ma Ganga, Ma Yamuna and Ma Saraswati to forgive us in case there were any shortcomings in our devotion. I see Janta Janardhan, the people, as an embodiment of divinity. In case there has been any shortcoming in our efforts to serve them, I also seek the forgiveness of the people.
So those were some of the highlights of the Prime Minister's message with the Mahakumbh coming to an end, which he too had visited. And then you had Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. These are images from today when he visited Prayagraj as a thanksgiving. He performed puja, kicked off a clean-up drive, and then enjoyed also a meal with sanitation staff as a thanks to them for all the work that they've done. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has spent the day in Prayagraj thanking the police officials, sanitation staff and everyone else. Here are some of the, highlights of what he said about the Mahakumbh.
इतना विशाल समागम दुनिया के अंदर कभी नहीं हुआ, कहीं नहीं हुआ। 66 करोड़ 30 लाख श्रद्धालु किसी आयोजन का हिस्सा बने। कोई अपहरण की घटना नहीं, कोई लूट की घटना नहीं, कोई छेड़छाड़ की घटना नहीं, कोई दुष्कर्म की घटना नहीं, कोई भी ऐसी घटना नहीं जिस घटना के बारे में कोई ये कह सके विरोधी को भी ढूंढे दूरबीन लगा करके भी और माइक्रोस्कोप लगा करके भी वे इस प्रकार की घटनाओं को उजागर नहीं कर पा रहे। प्रयागराज में मौनी अमावस्या के दिन 28 और 29 की रात्रि को दुखद घटना घटी थी। उन सभी परिवारजनों के प्रति हमारी संवेदना है, लेकिन बहनों और भाइयों, उसकी आड़ में काहिरा की घटना को, काठमांडू की घटना को, किसी अन्य जगह की घटना को प्रयागराज से जोड़ करके बदनाम करने की साजिशें हो रही थी। मुझे लगता है कि जनता जनार्दन ने एक सिरे से उन्हें खारिज करके प्रयागराज महाकुंभ में आकर के साबित किया कि नहीं, तुम्हारे दुष्प्रचार में अब नहीं आएंगे, सनातन का ध्वजा अब कभी झुकने वाली नहीं है।
And speaking of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, through the course of the Mahakumbh, CM Yogi has been defending his administration in the face of non-stop opposition attacks. Even today, Yogi Adityanath spoke about these opposition attacks, saying there was an attempt constantly to malign the Mahakumbh. Here's a glimpse of what he said, and then we'll talk about the politics.
मौनी अमावस्या के दिन 8 करोड़ श्रद्धालु यहां पर था। हमारी प्राथमिकता थी कि श्रद्धालु जनों को सुरक्षित स्नान करा करके उनके गंतव्य की ओर प्रस्थान करवाया जाए, लेकिन विरोधी और विपक्षी लगातार दुष्प्रचार कर रहे थे, बदनाम कर रहे थे, अपमानित करने की भाषा का उपयोग कर रहे थे। 28 और 29 की रात्रि को दुखद घटना घटी थी। उन सभी परिवारजनों के प्रति हमारी संवेदना है, लेकिन बहनों और भाइयों, उसकी आड़ में काहिरा की घटना को, काठमांडू की घटना को, किसी अन्य जगह की घटना को प्रयागराज से जोड़ करके बदनाम करने की साजिशें हो रही थी। मुझे लगता है कि जनता जनार्दन ने एक सिरे से उन्हें खारिज करके प्रयागराज महाकुंभ में आकर के साबित किया कि नहीं, तुम्हारे दुष्प्रचार में अब नहीं आएंगे, सनातन का ध्वजा अब कभी झुकने वाली नहीं है।